Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this evening's video, I'm going to attempt to fix a faulty boot latch. So the car here is a August 2017 YD series Kia Cerato Sport Plus, and I'll just demonstrate the problem, which is the boot will not latch. So generally it's one of two things. It's a faulty boot latch, and I have gone ahead and purchased a new one. This problem was discovered upon leaving on a trip to Queensland. So we parked the car in a parking station, undercover parking station, removed the luggage, went to close the boot, and it would not latch. So just on a Google search, I thought I'd just preempt that it could be a faulty boot latch so that I could fix it when I get back. So I went ahead and bought a OEM replacement. I'll put the part number and the cost into the description and pin a comment. So it's either this or it's generally a misaligned striker plate. So I'll just put that down and show you. Excuse the boot cleanliness, we just had suitcases being dragged in and out of it. So this striker plate here, so generally this can be misaligned if the car's received a hit up the bum, which basically makes the striker plate offset to the latch up here, and then the boot just bounces. So there are 4 ways to release the boot on this particular grade of Cerato, the Sport Plus. The first is with the remote, so there's a boot release button which you hold down to release the boot. There is a cable operated lever just beside the driver's seat. There is a button just here on the boot lid itself, and there's the smart trunk feature, which, to explain, you stand behind the car with the proximity sensing key in your pocket. It will beep and flash the indicators 5 times before releasing the boot. So if you have your hands full with shopping or something, you don't have to put those down to try and open the boot. It will do it for you. Alright, a couple of steps to access the latch. One is removing the pull handle here, which is 2 Phillips head screws, and then we need to remove the boot trim. So there's just these kind of clips which can be released with a flathead screwdriver that run all the way around the outside of the trim to then provide access to the latch. And I believe there's 2 bolts to release the latch based on this one that I've got here, so just on the left and right hand side, but I'll find out more once I can see it properly. Access to the latch now, so we've got the plug here, which is for the release on the boot lid itself, and then on the other side we have the cable release. So I might just drop the latch down so I can get access to the cable. 10mm. There's 2 of them. So the plug's already off. The only other part that I need to disconnect is the cable, so I believe it's as simple as just releasing it here. It just kind of sits in like a little groove, and then it just comes out like so. Very simple. So put the new one on. Just feed it around. And then slide that onto there. Plug this in. Whoops. Try again. Doesn't want to kind of seat. There we go. Okay, you just need to press that down so it kind of seats into the I don't know what you call it, groove. So it just goes around the left of that U shape. It's very straightforward. I mean, if you're doing this yourself, it'll be very straightforward to you. But then just make sure that you press this down firmly so it sits securely inside the little groove. So just press this down and you'll hear it click. And then we just need to plug this cable back in. It's clicking. And I'll just bolt this back on. So we go. Very simple, easy fix. Nice. There we go, job done. Easy, quick, cheap fix. Boot is now working. It was the faulty boot latch. Any comments or questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.